Okay, so this is a different type of video, more of a vlog. I was supposed to be having a FIFA get together, first time see my friends since the lockdown. So we're supposed to meet like 1:30. It's currently 1:28 and I'm not ready. So yeah. Um okay, so yeah, I'm back. I'm ready now. Yeah. Supposed to meet in half a tree because Clifford don't want to come pick me up. So yeah, going transition to half a tree and hopefully I get some good footage to use from this day. If not, this video not going to go out. If so, just like the video, share, subscribe, you know what to do. So yeah, ready.
Because I'm gonna be your partner. I need to shut up.
Yo, you disgust me, dog. Let me see the reach. Yo, you disgust me.
It's a good ball.
Good piece of ball. You never race with no money. Good piece.
As you notice, I didn't record much of the FIFA tournament. I didn't want to be that guy to just have the camera in the people face. Maybe next time if we do it again. But yeah, it was a very good day. After the tournament, I headed off to the country, and that's what you're about to see now. Okay, so this is my face. I don't know what was that. As you can see, I am in the country. So yeah, hopefully, I don't know if I'm going to vlog this. I'm actually here. I have to come up on this field to get some service, to get the service work. It don't work in the house. Hopefully I do some excited stuff so I can make a video out of this. Yeah, that's why I haven't been really uploading. I'm out here. I don't have Wi-Fi. I don't have anything. So yeah, just bear with me. Continue to watch the videos. Hopefully I can get back to weekly videos. I'm going to go back down to the house. I actually downloaded Last Kingdom to binge watch, but so far it's not really good. So yeah, today's Wednesday. I should be going out tomorrow. Hopefully I can get some footage. If not, I don't know, this may not be a video. Okay, so day 2 of my little country getaway, and I'm not that much in the country anymore. Although it's just for the day. I'm in Ocho Rios at the beach, first time like since January. So yeah, hopefully I record some things of this day. If not, I don't really go in water cause yeah. But yeah. This is me in the water. Yeah, I'm talking, but you're not hearing me. I had the camera in the waterproof case. I think I was trying to say I'm going to learn to swim. So this is me trying to float, I guess, because believe it or not, I can't float. At the end of the day, I did get better, but you see my first attempt not really good. And then I try again. So yeah, that's me almost drowning, and instead of giving up, me like a smart person go deeper and try to it did work, but if you can't swim, why you go deeper into the water, Ramando? Yes, so this is me trying again and start drown immediately. As I go in, I just start drown. So yeah, I decide to come back in closer. Although I could stand up, it don't really matter. Any amount of water can drown, if you know that. Okay, so this is me decided to prank my sister touch her foot and makes you think it's like a shark or something. Obviously not a shark, but you know what I mean. Okay, so yeah, I'm back from the beach. That's the end of the beach day. Just up on the roof, relaxing, trying to watch the ball game up there or wherever. And yeah, it was a very good day, I'll say. Overall, it was an okay trip, other than like having to go on a field to get service. Thanks Digicel. I don't know why, but Flow worked better in St. Mary. But yeah, it was a nice little getaway. I don't think the country is necessary for me, but yeah, next time I'll try get more footage. But yeah, thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.